Yo guys, welcome back to the Fogfather YouTube channel. I'm Dylan. Once again, we're going to get into something really nice today. We're going to do a little review on something I like to call the H80 kit made by Voopoo. So let's get into it. So guys, let's get into it. Like I said, we're going to be reviewing the Drag H80 made by Voopoo. Recently come out a couple months ago. Today we're going to review the Red Edition version. So let's get into some of the things that it comes with. So in the box, you get a Type-C charger, which is how it charges. That means it will charge quite fast in about 15-20 minutes max. Comes with 2 different coils, and that is pretty much the whole box for you. Other than that, you get a manual in there explaining the vape. So let's get into it. So this is the H80 itself. It uses a little plastic pod system right on the top. Where you put the coil in, right here, just this hole here. You push and pull in just like that. Right? On the top, when you want to fill it in with liquid, you just twist this flat, take it off. And if you can see, we have 3 holes here on the top. Just the 2 side ones, just there and there. You want to push straight through the rubber seal, push your liquid cap straight in and just fill it there. The big middle one, you should never ever try and fill it in from there, otherwise you could cause a chance of flooding the coil. To put the cap back on, you literally just find a little biting point and just twist it back on just like that. For any of you that know an airflow, this is where you find your airflow. Just on the side here, if you twist the whole pod itself, it will close a little silver seal, and that is how you close and open your airflow. It uses a regular 18650 battery, and if you'd like to change that or put one in whenever you get the chance to, you literally just pull this clip off and the battery just goes straight in there. To charge it, right here, you have a Type-C charger, like I said, already comes in the pack, and you just put it straight in there. So let's get it on and show you how it works. Today I'm going to be using a VT6C Sony battery. It's a 3000 million power battery, so it should get you through roughly a day, 2 days. So there's a little plus sign here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the plus on the battery and make sure that it goes in that way. So push it in just like that, put your clip back on, done. So 5 clicks to turn it on, 5 clicks to turn it off. So let's turn it on. Once it's on, you can just change the power with the top button right there. So you go up like that and then down like that. If you wish to change the setting, you just hold these 2 together like that. And then you have a bunch of different options here. So you have mode. So if I click the big button right there, you have Smart, RBA or Eco. Eco just saves battery. RBA, bit extra power. And obviously Smart, just your regular setting. You can exit down the bottom, go back. You've got puff reset, so if you want to change all your, like the amount of puffs the whole vape's done entirely, you literally just click that, done. You can learn a bit more about the device, or you can exit. So to use the vape, you want to hold the button down to puff it, and that is really mainly how you use it, to be honest with you. Right there, you have the time of each puff you're doing, you have your battery life right there, and you have all the puffs that the vape has done entirely. So again, 5 clicks to turn it off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turns off. So, you can use either Sublime or Nic salts in this vape here. So you can use either the Fogfather 100ml, which are a bit thicker liquids, or, as I personally like to use, I like to use the Nic salts. Here we've got some example, cherry lemonade, mango, really nice flavours. Like I said, all 3 of these go in it. But I prefer the Nic salts just because of their taste. So the different kinds of coils it uses, you have a couple of different examples here. This is the TW brand. A newer edition, about 20% more life than a regular P&P coil. Really good for this one. And here we have the original edition, the P&Ps. All of these coils, including the TWs, run from roughly around 12-18, lowest as high as like 80 to 100. So altogether, you've got 8 different coils that can go inside the vape. So how to change a coil, I've already gone over it. Just to be clear, get your coil, it literally just pushes in like that, and then pulls out just as easily as that. One thing I like about this vape is it has a smart feature, so when you put the pod in, it will actually read the coil wattage where it needs to be run at, and it will just run it straight on the screen for you. And then we'll do an outro. How long was that? Oh. Yeah. So guys, hope you all enjoyed the review of the H80. Please like and subscribe, and if you like, you'll see more videos just like this. We'll see you all next time.